Question 21, we're looking for the length of side A. And we have a right angle triangle, that's 90 degrees there. The side opposite the right angle there is the 8 millimeter side, that's known as the hypotenuse, so we're just going to label that. And we're looking for the length of side A. Now, if we knew two sides in a right angle triangle, we could use Pythagoras' theorem, but we don't. We only have one side, so we're going to be using sine, cos, or tan. These are the trigonometric ratios. And we can easily work out angle C. That's 38 degrees. That's 90. 90 has to be spread between this. So 90 take away 38 leaves 52 degrees. Angle C is 52 degrees because the three angles add to 180. So say we're standing down here and we're looking across. That side there is called the opposite, OPP for short. That's the hypotenuse, and we can label this side then the adjacent, the side beside us, the adjacent side to us. Now we're looking for side A, so we're looking for the opposite. Sine of 52 degrees equals sailing over heaven, opposite over hypotenuse, O over H. Will that work for us? We know the hypotenuse, H equals 8 millimeters. We're looking for the opposite, and sine 52, we can figure that one out, no problem. So this is the one we're going to use. So we start down here maybe. Sine 52 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. And we know that H equals 8. So sine 52 degrees equals opposite over 8. Multiply both sides by 8, and we get 8 times sine 52 degrees equals our opposite. So we'll bang in 8 times sine 52 into the calculator. 8 multiplied by sine 52, close the bracket, and we get 6.304. So the side A, come back up here now, side A, the length of side A is 6.304. So the two decimal places 6.30, and the units there are millimeters. And again, you could draw that one out. Draw with a triangle on a piece of paper with 8 millimeters or 8 centimeters, even if it might be more practical, you could use centimeters instead. And use a protractor and 52 degrees here. Try and construct a triangle and see if it all works out. And that'll be a good way of reinforcing this learning here. Anyway, 6.3 centimeters for side A.